Are you consistently overtrading and letting your profits to slip away? Let's uncover the real reason behind the overtrading and how to break free. Hey traders, welcome back to the channel. Overtrading is not about a number of the trades, it's about alignment with your strategy. So let's get into it. There is a 3 points I want to mention why people are overtrading, and it's connected to a psychology. First point I want to mention is a 9-to-5 mentality. Traders still think that doing more equals to earning more, which is not true. In a trading, you are not paid for doing more. You are paid for doing a good trading decisions. Second, I want to mention the actions equal the progress. We think that the more trades means more progress, and it's leading to the chasing the trades out of boredom or the fear. This is also the complete misunderstanding. And the last one I want to mention on the beginning of this video is emotions driven trading. This is happening when you come to your trading desk, you sit down and you think that you need to produce the trades to earn the money, be paid for the time you spend behind the computer. You watching other traders to sharing their profits, and you need to follow them, you need to make it also. It forces you to impulsive trading and chasing the trades when your setup is not occurring yet. So you basically need to disconnect from the 9-to-5 mentality and the thinking that you are paid for your time. This is not how it works in the trading. You are not paid for doing more, but for taking the best risk-controlled decisions. So what's the main problem why the traders are overtrading? It's very simple. It's the randomness. It's not having a defined strategy, processes. When you will trade, what is your profit target? I mean the target for the weekly, how many percentage you will make in a week. Because if you don't have your target for a day, week and month, you are simply randomly shooting and you still trying to make more and more and more without any stop. And you can be successful, but by trying to make more and more, you are putting the money to the risk, and most likely you will give the profits back. And there's also many other factors which can lead into the overtrading. But right now, let's look how to avoid it. It's very simple. You need to avoid the randomness. You need to have a trading plan, the strategy, stick into it. Define when you will trade. Also define what your setup should consist and create the trade checklist as the one as I'm showing you here on the screen right now. You should have something like that. If your setup doesn't consist all of these rules, you shouldn't take it. Define when you will trade. So let's say you will trade only in the New York session when there is the biggest volatility and the best moves, and create 3 to 4 hours window for your trading. Then turn off your computers and stay away from the charts. Live your life and refresh your mind. On the weekends, take one day off, and on the Sunday, do the self-reflection, journal what you did right, journal what you did wrong, journal where you can improve for the next time, prepare the analysis for the next week, and you should also do backtesting at least 2 hours a week. Many people think that the backtesting is just for the exploring a new strategy, but this is not true. Backtesting is like a training. It's a training for the traders, same like the UFC fighters are still training. Even if they are professionals, they still training every day, every week, every month. So if you want to be professional trader, you need to do your training also. It will give you your confidence, it will define your setup, and it will help you to eliminate this randomness which leads into the overtrading. And there you have it. So to summarize, the overtrading simply comes from not being prepared for this trading arena, not having a trading plan, not being organized, and just trying to blindly shoot if it will work or not. And I can tell you it can work maybe in the short time period, but in the long term, you will fail. I hope that this video helps you to eliminate the overtrading and that you find it insightful and inspirational. If you're interested in the more insight how to improve your trading mentality and boost your profitability? Subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any new video. I see you next time.